Ransomware Rewind Online Training. The evolution of ransomware, a historical overview. The evolution of ransomware, a historical overview. Ransomware, a form of malicious software designed to block access to a computer system until a sum of money is paid, has undergone significant evolution since its inception. This journey reflects broader changes in technology, cybersecurity, and the tactics used by cybercriminals. 1. The early days, 1989 2000s, the dawn of ransomware. AIDS Trojan, 1989. The first known ransomware attack was the AIDS Trojan or PC Cyborg incident. Distributed via floppy disks to attendees of an AIDS conference, this malware encrypted files and demanded a ransom of $189 to be sent to a PO box in Panama. While rudimentary, it set the stage for future ransomware attacks. Development of encryption techniques. Throughout the 1990s, the concept of ransomware remained relatively dormant, but the foundations for encryption and malware distribution were being laid. These techniques would later become critical for ransomware's effectiveness. 2. The rise of cryptovirology, 2000s advanced encryption and extortion. JP Code and Archivist, 2004 to 2006. The mid-2000s saw the emergence of more sophisticated ransomware, such as GP Code and Archivist. These utilized stronger encryption algorithms to lock users out of their files. GP Code, for example, employed RSA encryption, making it far more difficult to decrypt without the attacker's private key. Global spread. The advent of the Internet and email increased the global reach of ransomware. Attackers could distribute their malicious payloads to a broader audience with minimal effort. 3. The Golden Age, 2010s. The proliferation of ransomware. CryptoLocker, 2013. A watershed moment in the history of ransomware was the emergence of CryptoLocker. It combines strong encryption with sophisticated payment methods, such as Bitcoin, making it easier for attackers to receive ransoms while remaining anonymous. CryptoLocker infected over 250,000 systems in its first few months. Ransomware as a Service, RAS. The mid-2010s witnessed the rise of ransomware as a service, where developers created ransomware kits that could be sold or rented out to other cybercriminals. This democratized ransomware, allowing even those with limited technical skills to launch attacks. Notable variants. The period also saw the rise of notable ransomware families such as TuslaCrypt, Locky, and Cerber. Each brought new features, like targeting specific file types or incorporating advanced evasion techniques. 4. Ransomware epidemics, 2017 to 2019 global impact. WannaCry, 2017. One of the most infamous ransomware attacks, WannaCry, leveraged an exploit known as EternalBlue, which was developed by the NSA and leaked by the Shadow Brokers Group. It spread rapidly across the globe, affecting over 230,000 computers in 150 countries within a day. The attack highlighted the vulnerability of outdated systems and had a significant economic impact. NotPetya, 2017. Not long after WannaCry, the world was hit by NotPetya, another ransomware variant that initially targeted Ukraine but quickly spread globally. Unlike traditional ransomware, NotPetya was more of a wiper than true ransomware, as it irreversibly encrypted data, causing extensive damage. Ryuk 2018 targeted ransomware like Ryuk emerged during this period, focusing on high-value targets such as businesses, hospitals, and government agencies. These attacks demanded large ransoms and often involved weeks of reconnaissance before the attack was executed. 5. The modern era, 2020s, present targeted attacks and double extortion. Double extortion, modern ransomware attacks have evolved beyond simple encryption. Attackers now frequently use double extortion tactics, where they not only encrypt the victim's data but also threaten to publish it if the ransom is not paid. Maze ransomware, first observed in 2019, popularized this technique. Critical infrastructure and supply chain attacks. The 2020s have seen ransomware attacks targeting critical infrastructure and supply chains, with the Colonial Pipeline attack in 2021 being a notable example. Such attacks demonstrate the far-reaching implications of ransomware, affecting everything from fuel supplies to food distribution. Ransomware Rewind, major attacks that shaped cybersecurity. Ransomware has become one of the most significant threats in cybersecurity, evolving from simple attacks to highly sophisticated campaigns that target organizations globally. Here's a look at some major ransomware attacks that have shaped the cybersecurity landscape. 1. WannaCry, 2017. Impact. One of the most widespread ransomware attacks in history, WannaCry infected over 230,000 computers across 150 countries. The attack exploited a vulnerability in Microsoft Windows, which had been disclosed in leaked NSA documents. Consequences: the attack crippled hospitals, businesses, and government agencies, with damages estimated in the billions. WannaCry highlighted the importance of timely patching and updates, as Microsoft had released a patch for the vulnerability weeks before the attack. Response: this attack led to increased global cooperation on cybersecurity and a renewed focus on patch management. 2. NotPetya, 2017. Impact. Initially thought to be ransomware, NotPetya was a wiper disguised as ransomware. It primarily targeted Ukrainian organizations but quickly spread worldwide, affecting companies like Maersk, FedEx, and Merck. Consequences: the attack caused billions of dollars in damages, with some companies taking months to recover. NotPetya underscored the potential for ransomware to be used as a weapon of cyber warfare. Response: organizations started to rethink their cybersecurity strategies, focusing on improving resilience and response capabilities. 3. SamSam, 2018. Impact. SamSam ransomware targeted critical infrastructure, including hospitals, municipalities, and transportation networks. The attackers used custom malware and demanded ransom payments in Bitcoin. Consequences: the attack on the city of Atlanta highlighted the vulnerability of public sector entities to ransomware. The city spent millions on recovery efforts, much more than the initial ransom demand. Response: SamSam led to increased awareness of the importance of protecting critical infrastructure, with a focus on segmentation and robust backup strategies. 4. Ryuk, 2018 present. Impact. Ryuk is a sophisticated ransomware strain that targets large organizations and demands high ransom payments. It is often deployed following initial infections by other malware like TrickBot or Emotet. Consequences: Ryuk has caused significant financial losses, with some organizations paying millions in ransom. The attack has been linked to organized cybercriminal groups, highlighting the growing professionalism of ransomware operations. Response: the persistence and impact of Ryuk have driven the adoption of advanced threat detection and response solutions, as well as improved incident response planning. 5. Colonial Pipeline, 2021. Impact: the Colonial Pipeline attack was one of the most significant ransomware incidents in the US, leading to fuel shortages across the East Coast. The attackers, linked to the DarkSide Group, demanded a ransom of $4.4 million, which was eventually paid. Consequences: the attack on critical infrastructure emphasized the vulnerability of essential services to cyber attacks. It also sparked a national conversation about the need for better cybersecurity practices in the energy sector. Response: in the wake of the attack, the US government announced new cybersecurity mandates for critical infrastructure and increased efforts to combat ransomware, including the creation of a dedicated task force. 6. Kaseya VSA, 2021. Impact: the Kaseya VSA ransomware attack was a supply chain attack that targeted a software vendor providing IT management tools to managed service providers, MSPs. The Arrival Group demanded a $70 million ransom, impacting over 1,500 organizations. Understanding ransomware, tactics, techniques, and procedures. Ransomware is a type of malicious software, malware, that encrypts a victim's files or locks them out of their systems, demanding a ransom payment in exchange for restoring access. Understanding the tactics, techniques, and procedures (TTPs) of ransomware is crucial for effective defense and response. 1. Tactics. Initial access. Phishing emails. Attackers often use phishing emails containing malicious links or attachments to deliver ransomware. Exploiting vulnerabilities. Attackers exploit unpatched software vulnerabilities to gain access to a network. RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol, exploitation. Weak or compromised RDP credentials are a common entry point for ransomware. Execution. Scripting. Ransomware often uses scripts, example PowerShell, batch files, to execute the payload. Self-propagation. Some ransomware variants spread laterally across a network by exploiting network shares or other vulnerabilities. Persistence. Scheduled tasks. Attackers create scheduled tasks to re-execute the ransomware even after reboot. Registry modification. Ransomware can modify system registries to maintain persistence on infected systems. Command and control, C2. Communication. Once executed, ransomware may communicate with AC2 server to receive encryption keys or additional instructions. Domain generation algorithms. DGS. Some ransomware uses DGS to generate domains for C2 communication, making it harder to block. 2. Techniques. Encryption. File encryption. Ransomware typically encrypts files using strong encryption algorithms, example AES-256. Partial encryption. Some variants only encrypt parts of files to speed up the process. Key management. Encryption keys may be stored locally or retrieved from a remote server, complicating decryption. Data exfiltration. Double extortion. In addition to encrypting data, attackers may exfiltrate sensitive data and threaten to release it publicly if the ransom isn't paid. Disabling security tools. Antivirus and EDR evasion. Ransomware may attempt to disable or evade security tools to avoid detection. Shadow copy deletion. Attackers often delete shadow copies and backups to prevent recovery without paying the ransom. Lateral movement. Credential dumping. Ransomware may dump credentials from memory or databases to move laterally across the network. Network reconnaissance. Attackers perform network scanning and mapping to identify additional targets. 3 procedures. Ransom note delivery. After encryption, ransomware typically displays a ransom note with payment instructions, often in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. Payment and decryption. Upon payment, attackers may, but are not guaranteed to, provide a decryption key. However, this process is not always reliable, and paying the ransom is generally discouraged by cybersecurity experts. Backup destruction. Ransomware often targets backup systems and files to eliminate recovery options, increasing the likelihood of ransom payment. The role of cryptocurrency in ransomware extortion. Cryptocurrency plays a significant role in ransomware extortion, serving as the primary medium of exchange for ransom payments. Ransomware attacks involve malicious software that encrypts a victim's data, rendering it inaccessible until a ransom is paid. The rise of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, has facilitated the growth of ransomware for several reasons. 1. Anonymity and pseudonymity. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin offer a level of pseudonymity, making it difficult to trace transactions back to the individuals involved. This feature is highly attractive to cybercriminals, allowing them to extort money while reducing the risk of being identified or caught. 2. Ease of transfer. Cryptocurrencies can be transferred quickly and across borders without the need for intermediaries like banks. This ease of transfer ensures that attackers can demand payments from victims in different parts of the world without complications. 3. Lack of regulation. The relatively unregulated nature of cryptocurrencies, especially in comparison to traditional financial systems, means that there are fewer barriers to using them for illicit purposes. This lack of oversight allows cybercriminals to operate with minimal interference from authorities. 4. Global accessibility. Cryptocurrencies are accessible globally, allowing ransomware attackers to target victims regardless of geographical location. The widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies has made it easier for attackers to demand payments in digital currencies that are readily available to most Internet users. 5. Automation and scaling. The use of cryptocurrency enables attackers to automate the process of demanding and receiving ransom payments. Ransomware as a service (RaaS) platforms have emerged where attackers can distribute ransomware and receive payments without significant manual intervention. This scalability has contributed to the widespread use of ransomware. 6. Monetization of illicit gains. Once the ransom is paid in cryptocurrency, attackers can use various methods to launder and convert the digital currency into fiat money. This process is often done through mixers, exchanges, or over the counter (OTC) brokers, which further obfuscate the origin of the funds. 7. Victim coercion. The irreversible nature of cryptocurrency transactions puts additional pressure on victims. Once a ransom is paid, there is no way to reverse the payment or recover the funds, which can coerce victims into complying with the attacker's demands quickly. How ransomware has transformed cybersecurity strategies. Ransomware has significantly transformed cybersecurity strategies over the past decade, driving organizations to rethink how they protect their data, infrastructure, and users. Here are some key ways ransomware has influenced cybersecurity. 1. Increased focus on data backups and recovery. Backup strategies. Organizations now prioritize robust backup solutions, ensuring that data is regularly backed up and stored in isolated or offline locations. This helps mitigate the impact of ransomware by allowing for data recovery without paying a ransom. Disaster recovery planning. There's a greater emphasis on disaster recovery planning, including regular testing of backup and recovery processes to ensure quick restoration of operations after an attack. 2. Adoption of zero trust architecture. Network segmentation. Zero trust principles have become central, focusing on network segmentation to limit lateral movement within networks. This reduces the risk of ransomware spreading from one compromised system to others. Continuous monitoring. Continuous monitoring and verification of user identities and device compliance are now critical, ensuring that only trusted entities can access critical systems. 3. Enhanced endpoint security. Advanced threat detection, endpoint detection and response (EDR) solutions are now widely adopted to detect and respond to ransomware before it can execute. These tools use machine learning and behavioral analysis to identify suspicious activities. Patch management. Regular patching and updates have become essential to close vulnerabilities that ransomware might exploit, especially given the rise of zero-day attacks. 4. Employee awareness and training. Phishing prevention. As phishing remains a common vector for ransomware delivery, organizations are investing more in employee training to recognize and avoid phishing attempts. Simulated attacks. Regular phishing simulations and cybersecurity drills help to prepare employees for real-world threats and reduce the likelihood of human error leading to an infection. 5. Integration of threat intelligence. Proactive threat hunting. Organizations are increasingly using threat intelligence to stay ahead of ransomware by identifying potential threats before they materialize into attacks. Sharing intelligence. Collaboration and sharing of threat intelligence across industries and with government entities have become more common, helping to track ransomware groups and their tactics. 6. Ransomware response playbooks. Incident response plans. Specific ransomware response playbooks are now part of broader incident response strategies, detailing the steps to be taken immediately after an infection is detected. Communication plans. These playbooks also include communication strategies for internal stakeholders, customers, and regulatory bodies, ensuring clear and timely information dissemination during an incident. 7. Legal and regulatory compliance. Compliance with regulations. With increasing regulations around data protection and breach notifications, organizations are required to implement stronger cybersecurity measures to avoid penalties and legal consequences following a ransomware attack. Cyber insurance. The rise of ransomware has also led to a surge in cyber insurance policies, which require companies to meet certain cybersecurity standards to qualify for coverage. Case studies. High profile ransomware attacks. High profile ransomware attacks have increasingly impacted various industries, showcasing the evolving nature of cyber threats. Below are some notable case studies. 1. WannaCry, 2017. Overview. WannaCry was one of the most widespread ransomware attacks in history. It exploited a vulnerability in Windows Eternal Blue and affected over 200,000 computers across 150 countries within a few days. Impact. Major organizations, including the UK's National Health Service (NHS), were severely disrupted. Hospitals were forced to cancel appointments and operations, causing significant delays in patient care. Resolution. The attack was stopped by a security researcher who discovered a kill switch domain. Despite this, the attack caused an estimated $4 billion in damages globally. 2. NotPetya, 2017. Overview. Initially perceived as ransomware, NotPetya was later identified as a Viper malware. It spread through a Ukrainian tax software and quickly infected multiple global corporations. Impact. Companies like Maersk, Merck, and FedEx suffered massive disruptions, with Maersk losing up to $300 million due to the attack. NotPetya's destructive nature rendered many systems inoperable, with no possibility of data recovery. Resolution. Companies had to rebuild their IT infrastructure from scratch, leading to significant downtime and financial losses. 3. Baltimore City Government, 2019. Overview. The city of Baltimore was hit by the Robinhood ransomware, which encrypted files and demanded a ransom of 13 bitcoins, about $100,000 at the time. Impact. The attack crippled the city's IT systems for weeks, affecting essential services like property transactions, water billing, and email communications. The city refused to pay the ransom, resulting in recovery costs estimated at $18 million. Resolution. The city had to rely on manual processes and paper records during recovery, emphasizing the need for better cyber defenses in government systems. 4. Colonial Pipeline, 2021. Overview. One of the most significant ransomware attacks in the US, the Colonial Pipeline attack was carried out by the DarkSide ransomware group. The pipeline is a critical infrastructure, supplying nearly half of the East Coast's fuel. Impact. The attack led to a temporary shutdown of operations, causing fuel shortages, price spikes, and panic buying across several states. The company paid a ransom of 75 bitcoins, approximately $4.4 million at the time, to regain access to its systems. Resolution. While the FBI later recovered a portion of the ransom, the incident highlighted vulnerabilities in critical infrastructure and prompted an executive order on improving U.S. cybersecurity. 5. JBS USA, 2021. Overview. JBS, one of the world's largest meat processing companies, suffered a ransomware attack that affected its operations in the US, Canada, and Australia. Impact: the attack forced the company to shut down several plants, disrupting the meat supply chain and impacting food prices. JBS paid an $11 million ransom to prevent further disruption and secure its data. Resolution: the attack underscored the vulnerabilities within the food supply chain and led to increased scrutiny on cybersecurity measures in the agriculture and food processing industries. Ransomware defense: best practices for businesses. Defending against ransomware is critical for businesses to protect their data, maintain operations, and avoid costly disruptions. Here are some best practices for ransomware defense. 1. Regular data backups. Frequent backups. Regularly backup data and ensure that backups are stored offline or in a location that is not directly accessible from the network. Test backup restorations. Periodically test the backup restoration process to ensure data integrity and that you can quickly recover from an attack. 2. Patch management. Regular updates. Keep all software, including operating systems, applications, and security tools, up to date with the latest patches and security updates to close vulnerabilities. Automated patching. Use automated tools to ensure timely patching across the organization. 3. Email security. Phishing protection. Implement email filtering to block malicious emails and educate employees about recognizing phishing attempts. Attachment and link scanning. Use advanced security solutions that scan email attachments and links for malicious content. 4. Network segmentation. Isolate critical systems. Segment the network to limit access to critical systems and data, reducing the impact of a ransomware attack. Zero Trust Model. Implement a zero trust security model where access to network resources is restricted and continuously verified. 5. Endpoint protection. Antivirus and anti-malware. Deploy advanced endpoint protection solutions with capabilities like behavioral analysis, machine learning, and real-time scanning. Endpoint detection and response. EDR. Utilize EDR tools to detect and respond to suspicious activities on endpoints. 6. User training and awareness. Security awareness training. Regularly train employees on security best practices, including how to recognize phishing attacks and report suspicious activities. Simulated phishing tests. Conduct phishing simulations to test and improve employee awareness. 7. Access controls. Least privilege principle. Implement the principle of least privilege, ensuring that users only have access to the resources necessary for their role. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. Enforce MFA for all access to critical systems and data to reduce the risk of credential-based attacks. 8. Incident response plan. Develop a response plan. Have a well-defined incident response plan in place that outlines the steps to take in case of a ransomware attack. Regular drills. Conduct regular drills and simulations to ensure your team is prepared to respond effectively to a ransomware incident. 9. Network monitoring and threat detection. Real-time monitoring. Use network monitoring tools to detect unusual or suspicious network activities that may indicate an ongoing attack. Threat intelligence. Integrate threat intelligence feeds to stay informed about the latest ransomware tactics, techniques, and procedures (TTPs). 10. Data encryption. Encrypt sensitive data. Encrypt data both at rest and in transit to protect it from being accessed or exfiltrated during an attack. Secure encryption keys. Ensure that encryption keys are stored securely and are inaccessible to unauthorized users. 11. Regular security audits. Vulnerability assessments. Conduct regular vulnerability assessments and penetration testing to identify and mitigate security weaknesses. Compliance checks. Ensure your security practices comply with relevant regulations and industry standards. Why choose ProExcellency for Ransomware Rewind online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Ransomware Rewind online training could be beneficial for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency likely offers training led by experienced professionals who are well versed in cybersecurity and ransomware threats, providing you with up to date and practical knowledge. Comprehensive curriculum. The course might cover all critical aspects of ransomware, including prevention, detection, response, and recovery, ensuring a well rounded understanding of the topic. Flexible learning. Online training with ProExcellency typically allows you to learn at your own pace, making it convenient for professionals with busy schedules. Interactive learning environment. The platform may offer interactive sessions, case studies, and real world scenarios, enhancing your learning experience and helping you apply what you've learned effectively. Certification. Completing the Ransomware Rewind training through ProExcellency may come with a certification that can boost your credentials and demonstrate your expertise to employers. Support and resources. ProExcellency might provide ongoing support, additional resources, and access to a community of learners, which can be invaluable as you continue to develop your skills in cybersecurity. Thank you.